Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, usual meeting spot this morning for one of our Evo 10 and Ralliart cruisers. So yeah, we've got quite a decent lineup of cars, about to head off up the motorway, hopefully get some good rollers of the cars, and then we are going to do a little run up a mountain to get some breakfast, ending off at a what's known as the secret spot where we're going to get some photos. So should be a really fun morning, and like I said, good variety of cars, so we'll do a little walk past of them. So we got mine here, we got finest Evo 10 as well, always looking good, and he's even got the camera on the back, so I might even get some footage off him as well. So here, these two, and the rest up this way. Got Scott's custom painted. Hopefully you can kind of see that, but not in the sun. Crazy built GSR. Got Mark's GSR as well. Super nice. And another GSR, we've got Chris's. We got Jack's MR there as well. As well as Cal's and Ned's. So a couple of GSRs, a couple of MRs, and we got Jackson's Nardo Ralliart, which you would have seen a pretty recent feature on the channel on this one. One of the nicer Ralliarts getting around for sure. We got Junior's MR there as well, and new one to the group today as well, another Ralliart, and I believe we have at least one more coming. So yeah. So yeah, I'll put the camera away. If any more cars pull up, I'll film those. But yeah, go have a chat to everyone else. Once we get on the road, I'll try and get some rollers on the motorway. Alright guys, well as you can see, onto the motorway, heading up towards our first little stop to regroup below the mountain. Yeah, always fun. It's like convoying with a bunch of Evo 10s and Ralliarts. So do a little bit of filming where I can, and yeah, really enjoy the drive. Alright guys, so here is our breakfast spot. As you can see, all got the cars all like somehow kind of in here. Really cool backdrop here, and yeah, didn't get the best run up like I said, but it is what it is. Still pretty fun. So yeah, we kind of blocked each other in because we weren't all going to fit, but yeah, all the cars made it. All parked up and everyone's just headed up to get some food, which I will now do as well because I really need a coffee. But yeah, like, this is a cool backdrop and all, but the spot we're going next is even better. So yeah, we'll go get some food and then I'll show you guys where we're heading to next. Alright guys, currently driving to our photo shoot spot. We've got like crazy views either side out here, and all the cars behind. It's just a very narrow road, so got to go nice and slow because you never know if someone's going to be coming the other direction. But yeah, as you can see, just crazy views either side. So yeah, been to this spot before, shown in the video. It is super cool. Hoping you can get some good clips of all the cars here today, because we've got some really nice ones. But yeah, so a couple more minutes along this narrow road and we'll be there, and I'll get the proper camera out and get some nice shots, put some music up and let you guys enjoy the views and the cars. Alright guys, well, as you can see, we have left on our way home, about to get onto the motorway. People went in different directions. I got two Evos behind me, got Lockie in the green one and Cal in his black MR, so yeah, everyone else went the other way. Some people merged off. We actually had the worst run down the mountain ever, stuck behind the slowest motorbike I've ever seen, going like 30 k's an hour around the corners. So yeah, wasn't the most exciting driving, but I think we all had a good time. Hopefully it made for a fun video to watch. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of the cars in the comments. And yeah, hopefully we get another one of these videos out soon, in another month or two. We have another one of our cruisers. But with all that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys later.